In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a payday loan with Chime. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the options that you have related to getting a payday loan with Chime and how this works. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about some considerations to make regarding payday loans and how to go about it to receive the money on Chime. So, payday loans are going to be short-term loans that typically require payment within a few weeks. They can be a useful option for those in need of quick cash, but they often come with high interest rates, so this is a big consideration that you have to make. So first, something that you might want to look into is MyPay. As you can see, this is available within Chime itself, and they list three main benefits. Get your payday any day, fee free, and then deposit it in 24 hours or less for free. Credit building, no overdraft fees, and more. So, to see if you are eligible for MyPay, you can open the mobile app and look for this window or enter your email on the website at chime.com/mypay. Get $500 of your pay before payday, build credit, and so on. So this is a consideration that you can explore. Now, if this is not available for you or it's not exactly what you want, then sadly, Chime does not offer direct payday loans, so you will have to look into other alternatives. Chime is a mobile banking app that focuses on providing fee-free banking services and they do not offer payday loans like this one from MoneyLion. So in this video, I wanted to showcase this alternative. If you want a payday loan, a consideration that you might want to make is something like MoneyLion. There are other places where you are able to acquire a payday loan, but MoneyLion, I believe, is the one that is going to work for Chime, and it is very reliable. So all that you have to do is go over to this page and you will be able to choose Get Quick Cash and browse through all of the loan offers that they have. Once you find one that satisfies you, you will be able to get paid early and follow the instructions on here to sign up. So make sure that you sign up to use their services and you will be able to borrow and get the loan that you need using stuff like Instacash that they offer. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a payday loan with Chime. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.